So welcome everybody here, and we are here with a new notification. I'm sure all of you are aware that the new calendar of SSC examinations is out. We've seen some drastic changes there. If you are a student of SSC stenographer, because usually it used to be in December and November, now it has been scheduled in the beginning of August. So that's a huge change out there. However, we don't see any major change in CGL and CHSL examinations. It's good for us. Thumbs up to all of you, but start preparing now. I suggest don't wait for the notification to pop up because CGL, some 40 lakh students usually each year appear in this examination. And the competition is not that easy because statistically, let me say, last year, the cutoff for tier 1 was fine, 153. I would say fine because the cutoff for tier 2 was 334 something. So those who got 328, those who got 320 or even 300 plus, we can't say they are the beginners. They are the pro ones and they didn't get selected. So they'll be appearing in again. So it's better to start early. It's best to start now. We are here to help you with two new courses we are starting. One for SSC CGL Tier 1 particularly, and the other one for Tier 1 and Tier 2, both of them. We have n number of classes out there, 350 plus sessions. The practice ones, the PYQ ones, we have 50 mock tests, 86 PYQ papers, and pretty much. Let me go through all these step by step. We start both the batches on 26th of May. So start now, join now. Would love to see you in the classes out there. Some details about all these things. We have the first one, CGL Tier 1 and Tier 2 2025 complete crash course with revision and practice. Of course, we have PDF notes and mocks out there in between. And this is the CGL Tier 1 2025 complete crash course with revision and practice having notes and mocks. Need not buy this batch if you are the part of SSC Super Elite. Let me mention once again. If I talk about all the details, I have along with me Shefali ma'am. Let me head towards them. Welcome, ma'am. Okay, ma'am is going to join us pretty soon, I think. Let me mention in detail that we are going to have 350 plus total live sessions where we are going to get 185 hours of concept building and revision sessions. We have 165 plus hours of live practice sessions. We have 45 plus subject-wise mock sessions based on the PYQs, and we have 4,000 plus MCQs aligned with the latest pattern of SSC CGL. I repeat, 185 live interactive sessions for building your foundation and such, 165 practice sessions, 45 plus mock practice sessions, and total 4,000 plus MCQs, helping you prepare the best we can. If we talk about all these things in detail, like we have mocks here. So we have 50 tier 1 mock tests, 86 past year papers, complete preparation, the 360-degree one, I can say. The learning medium is going to be English, not just the content, but also the explanation is going to be in English. Beneficial for those who are from South India, and particularly for those who are willing to learn English, and not just English, but also the other subjects in English. And not just the content, but also the explanation is going to be in English. Apart from that, we have monthly current affairs with live sessions and recorded sessions. We have PDF notes. And one more thing, the dedicated community access. 24/7, whenever you feel uncomfortable, come across a doubt, you can share this here. Can connect with your colleagues, can connect with the teachers also. Whenever they feel free, will help you clear your doubt here. So would love to say again, that's a 360-degree preparation for all of you. If I mention the complete crash course, tier 1 and tier 2 particularly, we have PDF notes, we have mock tests, in-depth coverage focusing on the key concepts and current affairs also, and the learning medium, of course, English. So language must not be a barrier for anyone. That's the contents. Shefali ma'am will take care of your polity and economy in the morning at 10. Aritra sir, arithmetic in the morning at 11. Aritra sir again in the afternoon at 3 for advanced maths. Shefali ma'am again for science in the evening at 4. I will take care of English in the evening at 5. Marut sir, reasoning at 6. And Veer sir for general studies and static GK at 8 in the evening, comprising all the subjects, the basic, the advanced, and everything such. Let's discuss the schedule in detail. Say if I say quants, the arithmetic one, we have classes I stated from 26th of January, 26th of May, Monday onwards, morning 11. We won't be having just one session, although it's a crash course. We will discuss things in detail. Just a sec. Yes, we have things in detail. We'll take care of speed and distance, time one, part one. For example, speed and distance, time two, part two. Circular track and speed, time and distance, trains, boats and streams, races and tracks, and DI. One of the most important topics out there. Part one, two, three, four, and such. Okay. And the process goes on, the syllabus goes on. When we talk about quants advanced, in the afternoon at 3, we have decimals and fractions, factors and multiples, HCF, LCM, divisibility, remainder theorem, unit digits, finding number of zeros, stirds and indices, trigonometric ratios, part 1, 2, etc. That's how we will cover every single topic in quants completely, not just having a quick look on that from the basics to the advances. If I talk about English, we'll start with the conditional clauses first. The conditional statements, quite important. I'm sure you know if you have gone through the PYQs. We'll discuss, since we have a batch for tier 2 also, RCs, part 1 and part 2. Close tests, both in tier 1 and tier 2. Parajumbles, quite important in tier 1 and tier 2. Error spotting, you better know the importance. Sentence improvement, phrase replacement, and the grammar basics, practice sets, mocks, and everything such here in detail. That's the syllabus which will go on further, not just 5 sessions and such. Shefali ma'am will take care of your chemistry initially. In the evening at 4, discussing matters and the states, atomic structure, periodic table, metals and non-metals, definitions and laws, acid, base, salt, chemical bonding, changes in reactions and properties, nuclear chemistry, carbon and the compounds, chemistry in everyday life, and everything such in detail. So I promise you will have nothing left. We will cover everything. When we talk about general studies, Veer sir will take care of ancient India practice set 1, covering in detail ancient India practice set 2, then early South Indian history 1 and 2 parts, early medieval history, India, medieval India, British rule and the colonial impact, and the process goes on further. So you will have clear understanding of all these topics. If I talk about reasoning, Marut sir will take care of your non-verbal reasoning first in the beginning when the batch starts. Not just one session, 3 sessions on that. Counting of figures, matrix, critical reasoning already is critical, important in examinations. 4 sessions on that, inequality and such. And of course, this batch costs, I would say, nothing, because the syllabus you are going to get here, the mock tests you are going to get here, those PDFs you are going to get here, 4,000 plus and such at just 854. And I did mention in the beginning of this session, those who are a part of SSC Super Elite need not buy this. It's already included in that. And that's why we keep on saying the benefits of getting SSC Super Elite. Need not buy new courses. We get courses already added, the upcoming ones also. So, yep, you can use the code. Let me mention this in detail in the upcoming slides. We have an offer. Would love to thank all of you, first of all. This is something from the bottom of my heart. Would love to thank all of you here for letting us cross 25 million subscribers here, users on Oliveboard. So thanks to all of you. And on this occasion, we have an offer. Can use the code 25M25 million to get flat 55% off for a course. For the test series, for this batch, we suggest Super Elite again, so that you need not buy courses for Tier 2 again, for CPO, CHSL, Steno, or any other examination conducted by SSC. So that's all included in that. If you buy to wish just this course, can. We have this Super Elite subscription I was talking about, in which we get courses, batches, mock tests, videos, notes, and everything. We have this 55% off right now. We have English medium courses. We have English medium courses just for SSC, SSC, and Railway Super Elite also. And you can see the price I need not mention, with a validity of 1 year at this amount. So almost nothing, I would say. That's the occasion I was talking about, crossing 25 million users here, celebrating that as suggested by the toppers. I'm sure you are aware of this. Interviews are here on this channel, the English medium channel also. The topper of CGL JSO 2024 was from Oliveboard. Topper of CGL 2024 was from Oliveboard. Topper of CHSL 2024 was also from Oliveboard and suggested by them. So we have this here. Can use the code 25M and get flat 55% off, especially on SSC Super Elite. Remember, this ends today. Thank you so much for being here. Would love to see you in the classes. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe Would love to see you in the upcoming classes on YouTube, also conducted for free, and in the main ones also. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any objection, query, question, doubt, anything such, drop a comment in the comment section. Would be happily answering those also. I repeat, start early now. Don't wait for the notification. Many have been preparing for months. Many have been preparing for years. We have to compete with them also. Harsh, but true. Subscribe now, join now. See you in the classes.